Are you a medical student aiming for excellence on the USMLE Step 1? Imagine having a single, comprehensive resource that distills everything you need to know into a clear, organized, and approachable guide. Whether you're just beginning your exam journey or preparing for that final push, there's a reason why generations of students have trusted this book to help them conquer one of the most important exams in their medical careers. Introducing First Aid for the USMLE Step 1 2025, the latest edition of the most renowned, trusted, and widely used study guide for the Step 1 exam. Authored by experts TUYENLAB, Vikas, Bhushan, Connie Q, Anup Chalis, and Panagiotis Kaparaliotis, this book isn't just a study aid. It's a lifeline that has supported thousands of future doctors just like you. First Aid for the USMLE. Step 1 has always been more than a summary of medical facts. It's carefully crafted with an exam-centric focus, presenting information in a format uniquely tailored to how you'll encounter material on exam day. The 2025 edition builds on decades of feedback, research, and student-driven improvement, making it the most up-to-date resource yet. Inside these pages, you'll find high-yield content covering all major disciplines: anatomy, biochemistry, microbiology, pathology, pharmacology, physiology, behavioral sciences, immunology, and more. Every chapter is meticulously organized for rapid review with clear section headings, easy-to-scan tables, and bolded concepts that highlight what's truly essential. No more sifting through lengthy textbooks. This book was designed with efficiency in mind, saving you precious time as you prepare. Why do so many students rely on First Aid? It's not just the breadth of coverage, but the depth of detail focused on the exam's highest yield topics. Each edition incorporates actual feedback from recent test takers and experienced medical educators, ensuring it aligns with current test trends and question styles. The dedicated effort to accuracy and relevance is evident on every page. The rapid review section brings unbeatable value, offering concise overviews for last-minute cramming and memory refreshers before you walk into the exam. Pathways, clinical correlations, and illustrative mnemonics make even daunting subjects memorable and accessible. Colorful diagrams, charts, and tables condense complex relationships into bite-sized, recall-friendly pieces of knowledge, a crucial advantage when every minute counts. But it's not just about the facts. Critical reasoning and application are more important than ever on the USMLE. The book integrates clinical vignettes, real case studies, and exam-style questions interspersed throughout each chapter. These not only reinforce theoretical concepts, but also show you how textbook knowledge translates to real-world clinical decision-making, equipping you to answer questions with confidence and clinical insight. Special boxes and notes spotlight classic Step 1, buzzwords, common pitfalls, and frequently confused concepts. These reminders ensure you're familiar with the patterns and language the exam loves to use, helping you avoid traps and maximize your scoring potential. The 2025 edition goes several steps further with updated epidemiological statistics, new diagnostic criteria, revised drug information, and the latest advances in molecular biology and genetics, keeping pace with the rapid evolution of medical science. You'll review the material knowing your knowledge is both current and comprehensive. Studying for the USMLE Step 1 isn't just about memorization. Strategy is key. First Aid understands this, offering expert tips on test-taking strategies, managing stress, and building the stamina needed for such a high-stakes exam. The guide provides insight into common question types and suggests the most effective ways to tackle them, boosting your confidence and performance. One of the standout features of First Aid is its legendary margin notes. Here you'll find seasoned insights, helpful memory tricks, clarifying diagrams drawn by students, and at-a-glance correlations that make reviewing as efficient and personalized as possible. If you ask any recent Step 1 taker, odds are their First Aid copy looks lived in, full of colored sticky notes, underlining, highlighter streaks, and handwritten comments. That's proof of its power. Not just a book to be read, but a workbook and companion throughout your study journey. What truly distinguishes this book from others is its ever-growing tradition of community input. Each year, new updates are incorporated based on student submissions and reviewer suggestions, ensuring First Aid reflects the most up-to-date, high-yield facts and student-experienced content. This collaborative model means you're not just learning from the authors, but from the collective wisdom of thousands of peers who have successfully navigated the process. With both Kindle and paperback options available, you can choose the format that fits your studying style and daily routine. Digital learners appreciate the ease of searching for specific topics and carrying the resource everywhere. Meanwhile, fans of print can annotate, tab, and physically interact with the material, a time-honored approach proven to enhance memory. Beyond the core content, purchasing First Aid opens the door to additional online resources and companion materials, including interactive question banks, visual mnemonics, and expanded explanations. There are also vibrant online communities and discussion groups where users help one another and share new insights, so you're never truly studying alone. But what's it like to actually use this book? Imagine sitting down, feeling overwhelmed by the sheer volume of information ahead. Instead of floundering in a sea of notes, First Aid gives you structure. The clear chapters, uncluttered design, and focused topics let you attack your weakest areas efficiently, chart your progress, and actually see your improvement as you master more and more high-yield concepts with each review. Many students choose to read through First Aid multiple times, layering understanding on every pass. The book's organization is ideal for this spiral approach to learning. Each review session moves you closer to full readiness, saving you time and reducing stress as exam day approaches. Faculty and residency directors know and respect this book. They recognize that mastering its content means you've covered the essentials. Many residency candidates credit their success to the hours spent with First Aid. Its role in helping students build a strong foundation, succeed on Step 1, and take the next steps toward clinical practice is legendary. Why does this book stand the test of time? It boils down to trust and results. With nearly every medical student using a copy, sharing tips, and recommending it to peers, it has become not just a source of information, but part of the culture of medical education. Is First Aid for the USMLE Step 1 2025 the right book for you? If you value up-to-date, evidence-based, high-yield content that's designed with the realities of the current exam in mind, absolutely. It's a book forged in the cauldron of real medical education, updated by the collective wisdom of students and educators, and designed to give you the peace of mind that you're covering everything that truly matters. Ordering your copy today means you'll immediately have access to the latest insights, the most reliable mnemonics, and the exact guidance you need to reach your highest possible score. Don't leave your preparation to chance. Equip yourself with a resource trusted by students all over the world, and set yourself up for success. Thank you for joining today's overview of First Aid for the USMLE Step 1 2025. We hope you found this introduction helpful and inspiring as you launch your Step 1 journey. If you're ready to transform your preparation and take your confidence to the next level, this book is a must-have companion on your path to becoming a doctor. If you found this review helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel to stay updated with more insightful book recommendations and guidance for your studies. Don't forget to order your copy using the link in the description below. You may even discover special offers and bonuses available for a limited time. Once again, thank you for watching, and best of luck on your medical journey. With the right resources, dedication, and support, success on the USMLE Step 1 is within your reach.